Hey friends! Check out this amazing honey can do storage I bought for our hair accessories. So if you checked out our storage video back in November, one of our amazing friends in the comments suggested that I check out the honey can do storage. And every time you guys suggest something in the comments, I do look on the internet and just check it out. And when I seen this, I was like, oh my gosh, I need this storage. So for our friends out there who didn't watch that video how I used to organize my stuff, I just wanted to show you a quick clip here. But anyways, yes, I had my stuff in different containers, and although it was really organized and I loved it at the time, I realized I wasn't taking out stuff. I wasn't using most of my stuff just because, you know, when you're in a rush to do a hairstyle, you're not gonna bring out all of your containers. So it wasn't easy access, and also because the drawers were small, I wasn't seeing all my hair bows. So there was bows I was like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot I bought this. So finally, about a month ago, I ordered this at bedbathandbeyond.ca. I know you can get it at Walmart as well as Amazon. I'll leave links in the description box for you. I don't know if you can get it in stores. I did try in our stores here, but they weren't available in stores. But yeah, it doesn't hurt to check that out. It cost me exactly $115.49 Canadian. So if you're in the US, it'd probably be a little bit cheaper. So my friends, like I said, I've had this for about a month, and let me tell you, this has made making hairstyles so much more easier. I love how big the drawers are and I can find things. I love that it has wheels like my other storage and I can just move it anywhere I want. I love the big tabletop at the top where I can just put all of everything that I need, and I don't need to like have a table beside me as well. So friends, before I bought this, I thought to myself, do I want to spend $100 on some hair accessory storage? But then I thought about it. I looked online, checked out the reviews, checked out YouTube videos, the internet, and I was like, oh my goodness, you know what? I think this would be well worth the buy, just because, you know, Sakura and Safari are still young, and I'm probably going to use the storage for a long time, and it seemed well made. Well, actually, it is well made, so I said, hey, it's well worth the buy. So my friends, there you have it, my amazing new storage. I love it so much. And my friends, I have to say, I love when you guys leave suggestions in the comment section. Sometimes, you know, it's not for me, but if it's not for me, it might be for someone else. So if you ever have a suggestion, do not be shy. Leave a comment in the comment section. You might be helping someone out. Look at our amazing friend, how she helped me out. I bought this amazing storage just because she was kind enough to leave it in the comment section. But anyways, my friends, I hope you liked this video and it helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair tutorials and hair stuff. We love you, friends. Bye!